Okay, so this is my second video. I was trying to show you guys um, why this one was not working. It still doesn't work. I have no reason. It's hard to explain, and I really didn't want to bang it around because I didn't want to mess it up. And of course, won't turn on. But I did end up buying a new one, and of course, the battery is good, and see, it turns on like really good. So, what I did was, I left it on there and let it charge for 24 hours. It did turn on for a little bit, and then it turned back off. Now, what it will do is it will charge this battery, but this is has a capability of charging on its own. So, that's the only thing this will do. I actually went to GameStop. They told me what I can do is get this refurbished, and they'll send it in, and then they'll send it back for for a little price. Or you can also trade this one in. They'll give you some money for it, but they will also, they're not going to give you that much money for it either. Which is, they'll send it in to get it refurbished, and you're gonna lose some money. So you probably want to pay the price for just getting it refurbished. The guy said sometimes it won't download the new update for the controller, so that's probably what is going on. So, well, I hope this helps. Don't bring it around, stuff like that. If it's not working, it's not working. You know, don't end up breaking your $60 controller. So I would just go and try to get it refurbished or try to update it again. If that doesn't work, just go and try to sell it to GameStop, and it's probably easier just to get it refurbished and much cheaper as well. All right, well, I hope this helps.